Dear viewers, I will discuss today about China-India border dispute on line of actual control and how it is being reported by few Pakistani YouTubers. Also, I will try to explain what is the ground situation there in Ladakh. Anybody has the very right to disagree with my point of view. The videos under discussion are uploaded by Mr. Sabir Shakir, an anchor person at ARY News, and he used to upload videos on his YouTube channel on daily basis and sometimes twice a day on current issues. He is a pure depiction of Mr. Arnab Goswami in India and Mr. Zaid Hamid in Pakistan and many like so-called journalists. Otherwise, such people are giving bad name to this very holy profession and deserving this profession. The very purpose of this yellow journalism is to attract maximum views to earn a few dollars, and this type of propaganda is at its peak on social media both in India and in Pakistan. Since the ingress by Chinese troops in Ladakh and other areas on LAC has come to limelight in media, Mr. Sabir picked up this and started to upload videos on this subject almost on daily basis. I have gone through couple of his videos on this very subject and realized that it has nothing to do with reality but a propagation of false news and to tell cock and bull story to the viewers. The title page contents of his videos on China-India border dispute are as under. In one video, he has wrote in the title page, the description is लद्दाख में भारतीय फ़ौज ने तारीख का बदतरीन सरेंडर किया, इंडियन जनरल फट पड़े, मोदी ने पाकिस्तान पर हमले की इजाज़त दे दी, चीन और पाकिस्तान की फ़ज़ाइया भी तैयार. दूसरी वीडियो, चीन 38,000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर पर कब्ज़ा कर चुका है, इंडिया का सरेंडर का इतराफ़, मज़ीद 50,000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर वापस लेंगे, चीन की धमकी, जंगी मशकें शुरू. बड़ी डेवलपमेंट. चौथी वीडियो, पाकिस्तान चीन का अहम सरप्राइज़, रा का खुफिया मनसूबा चीन ने चोरी कर लिया, मिज़ाइलों से लैस चीन के लड़ाका तैयारे फ़ज़ा में ISI हेडक्वार्टर में रेड सिग्नल दे दिया. पाँचवीं वीडियो, चीन ने भारतीय जनरल को 3 घंटे खड़े किए रखा, हमारा इलाका हमारा कब्ज़ा, चीन का करारा जवाब, चीन से इलाका वापस नहीं ले सकते, राजनाथ का एतराफ़. पाँचवीं वीडियो, पाक फ़ौज का एक और सरप्राइज़, भारतीय फ़ौज के मुंह पर 8वां थप्पड़, भारत की टांगें कांपने लगी, पाक चीन स्ट्रेटजी क्या है. आखिरी वीडियो, हमें ज़िल्लत से बचाओ, शिकस्त खोरदा भारत ने रूस से मदद मांग ली, रूस का जवाब, चीनी फतह के बाद पहली बार जनरल जोशी घुटने टेकेगा. ये तो जनाब थे मसूफ़ सो कॉल्ड जर्नलिस्ट है और काफ़ी व्यूअरशिप भी है. ये उनकी कुछ लेटेस्ट वीडियोस थी और उनके कॉन्टैक्ट्स मैंने शेयर किए हैं. और माशाल्लाह इस तरह के जर्नलिस्ट जो हैं इंडियन साइड पे भी और पाकिस्तान की साइड में भी काफ़ी तादाद में पाए जाते हैं. और उससे बढ़कर ये है कि इनको देखने वाले भी काफ़ी मौजूद हैं. तो वो जो कहते हैं लिमिटेड नॉलेज इज़ डेंजरस, तो ये वो वाली सिचुएशन बनी हुई है. सो इन दिस रिगार्ड I would like to say either his claims are utterly baseless or he is some kind of superman who has access to each and every secret of the world. Whereas in my point of view, the situation is crucial and it is not in favor of India either. But still, it is not as drastic as Mr. Sabir has claimed in his videos. The Chinese troops intruded 5 to 8 kilometers on Indian side from multiple points. The de-escalation is not happening there as claimed by some of Indian media houses. The fact of the matter is that Chinese side refused to discuss Galwan Valley in the meeting took place on Saturday. China has took over 60 to 70 square kilometer of Indian side. The most damaging incursion held by Chinese was in Galwan Valley, which has strategic importance and it is very crucial to India because its major strategic road passes through this area. Now, if we look into finger area, Pan Gongso Lake, finger 1, 2, 3, and so on to finger 8, it does not have any strategic importance for China, and any settlement in this area is immaterial and having no significance. It seems Chinese may happily withdraw from this area as it has no significance from strategic point of view. At the end, I would say if such withdrawal took place, Indian side may announce de-escalation on the basis of this withdrawal just for her public consumption. Otherwise, it will be a huge success for China and damaging for India equally. Thank you very much.